Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about head components in Next.Js. In Next.Js, the head components is used to add metadata to the head section of the web page. This can include things like title of the page, meta tag, and link tags. The head component is provided by the next head module. It should be re-rendered inside the head component in pages app.js file. This ensures that the metadata will be added to the head of every page in your application. The title and meta tags will be added to the head of the page and will be visible in the browsers tab in search engine results. It is important to note that you can use the head component multiple times on a page, but it recommended to use once at the top level of your application. These are the basic idea of Next.js component. Let's start the practical demonstration of head components. First of all, I'm going to import the head. Import head from next/head and remove this and provide the fragments. It's a React fragment and I'm going to provide head tag. So head inside this provide the title slash title and home page. Next, I'm going to provide meta tag, provide meta, and inside provide name description and content, and inside the content this is home page, and outside the head component I'm going to provide one div tag div and provide name as a home. If we next open the terminal, provide npm run develop. Next, go to the home page. So if we go to the home page, wait for a few seconds, the home page will be rendered. A home page has been rendered. Here you can see the title of the home page. If I comment this head tag and go to the front end, you can see here localhost 3000. So this is the advantage of using head tag. And uncomment, open the web page. So if we scroll here, if we see here, you can see the title. So I want to create multiple pages here. So I'm going to create a page called about.jsx and creating RFCE and head import head. So I'm going to provide fragments and copy the head components from here and paste inside the about, and I'm going to provide the div tag about and change the title as a about page, and here also you have to change the home into about. Let's go to the front end and go to the about page. we have reached, you can see the about page here. But in the same way, if you write a head components in each page, it will become a more complex task. To overcome this, comment this one and comment this one also, and comment this one also. I'm going to copy the next head and paste in the app.js, and inside this I'm going to add the head component. So I'm going to copy the head components from here and paste it here and change into next page or next app page, and here also change to next app page. If we go to the front end, you can see in a about page next app page has been given, and if we go to the home page also, you can see next app page has been given. So if we provide the head component in the if we provide the head components in the app.js, it will reflect on every pages. So in case you have given this head component here and you want a separate title for a separate SEO title or head component title in the about page, in this case you can use the head component here. So uncomment this and go to the page slash about. You can see that about page, the universally provided value has been overwritten, because here we have written the head tag title meta specifically for this page. So this one override the global values. Now we have reached the final part of this video. If you have any doubt about the head component, please comment in the comment section. I will help you. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly. Thank you for watching this video.